Everybody, welcome to a new video, James Speed Shop. Today going to look at the oil pump. Some parts I need to clean, including the oil pump, so we're going to look inside how it looks, because there are just 3 or 4 bolts in it, 10.9 strength, so we can just tighten them again to the right torque spec after all. So, oil pump is from the M113 V8 engine and we're going to build in the W124. So if you're new to the channel, click in the right corner, you can see my logo, see all the other videos of this project and my channel, and don't forget to have a look on my website, jamespeedshop.com. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go. So just 3 mounting bolts. The bottom is one section that will go onto the block. There is normally a non-return valve in it, so it will keep the oil in the system and will not drain back into the pump, back into the tank. And there's just a chain drive, of course. I got a new chain also for this one, so let's have a look. Going to look in that later. So what do we have here? 2 sections of gears. Doesn't look too bad at first. It's a little bit smelly because of the old oil. We can take the sections off. No gaskets in here, just flat surfaces. And we can remove those gears. So it's very good, and we can clean everything. I think this one you cannot remove because it's pressed in. I'm pretty sure maybe we can remove. Look, there's a little bit of play in it, of course. Don't know not for sure what this is. Going to look into it. I'm going to clean everything and put everything back together. So everything is cleaned. Looks all very nice. Cleaned some kind of, what is it, big strainer in it. The piece in here, I cannot figure out what it is. I think it's a sort of overpressure valve because there is some kind of spring in here. How it works, I don't really know. Maybe if the pressure in the pump is getting too high after the first section, it can flow oil back to the suction of the pump. That could be a possibility. I think it works like that because this is the suction side and it will move over the oil to the other side. And if the pressure in here is too high, maybe it will open inside a spring or something and let the oil flow backwards. I think that's a possibility. I think that's what it is. An overpressure valve in very cold weather conditions, that the oil is already building up too much pressure in the pump. I think that's the case. So both sections are cleaned. I have assembly lube to make everything nice and tidy. So if you can see, there are like points on here, and there's one side is shiny and the other side is not. So the shiny bits had contact with each other. And now when I looked back to the video that the points are moving out downwards, because that's also very logically. On this side it's pretty weird because there is a point here and the shiny bit from this point should get in touch with the other side, and it's with a point downwards. So then it's, here is a shiny part and a shiny part over there. They should touch, they have touched in the past. So I'm going to put it back together just like it was. I think that's just the best way to do it. So so this will fit over here later on. Just going to show you how it was. This is connected like this, and the other one is it like this? Yeah, connected like this. No gaskets or anything else in there. So let's put it together. Right? Nice. Control here. Complete. Holes need to be torqued. M section 10.9 is like 14.7 Newton meters. I have set this one to the correct value. First putting a little bit lower value in it. Pump is back together, all good. Turning okay. All very nice. So back to, this can be back installed when the engine is going in the car again. Very nice.